Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to see all the students you've submitted, or perhaps how to navigate to see the record of all the students that you have submitted on the platform, and to keep track of the updates on your students especially. So when you log into your account, you see the dashboard. On your left hand side you have access to my students. So I'm going to click on that, and that's going to open details of all the students I've helped. As you can see here, all this submitted means that this application has already been submitted. But then those that are pending, it means that you haven't taken the last step, or there's still something pending. And from here you can actually continue with the application by going through the necessary steps and making sure that you've uploaded all the necessary documents. From here you can do that. So again, my students means all the application you submitted, whether submitted or pending, you have access to those two applications here, and you can click here to complete. For any update from the university, whether admission has been offered, this particular status will change to admission offer. So here you can keep track of what's going on with every applications that you have actually submitted. So that is it for my students. Guys, thanks for joining this tutorial.